So this is the mini bus I was talking about. So this picks up passengers from one island to another island because there's a lot of distance between one island to another island. So this bus helps us transport between islands. So as you guys saw in the first episode, we got dropped to the island from the speedboat, and once the speedboat reaches the island, you have to walk for at least 200 or 300 meters to reach to the check-in, where they collect your details, and from there they drop you to your Grand Water Villa Island, which is about 1 kilometer, which they use this mini buses like we're going in right now. So if you want to communicate between these two islands, you have to use the mini bus, and that's the only option. It's very unreasonable to walk from one island to another island, so it's always advisable to use this mini vans that we did. Hey everyone, Elrigu Namaskara. So I just reached Sun Siam Oluveli right now, and it's absolutely fantastic. Right behind me you can see Grand Water Villa. So we have opted for Grand Water Villa right behind me. So I'll give you a room tour on how exactly Grand Water Villas are in a resort in Maldives. So let's take a quick room tour. So I'll just plug in the access card. So here we go. So there's a mirror, so you can see the room. It's pretty fantastic. I've never stayed in such a luxurious like a Grand Water Villa in my life. This is the first time I'm experiencing this kind of awesomeness. So let's go to the balcony now, and then I'll come back to the room. So this is the best part of the water villa. So this is a pretty relaxation area, and we've got access to this particular water slider. Here you can just go through this, and this is all these are completely Grand Water Villas. Right from there, I'll just show you the view from other side, and what you're seeing on the opposite side are also Grand Water Villas, but those are Grand Water Villas with pool, which we did not get, unfortunately, due to the booking slots unavailability. So this is the balcony, kind of a balcony in the room, which is really cool. And as I said, this is the first time I'm staying in such a luxurious kind of atmosphere. So whichever country I visited, it's always been in a hurry-burry, you know, where to go next day, what to plan. So this is kind of a relaxation trip. So I hope I enjoy it. So coming to the wardrobes, we have safe, which is very common in every room. So there's nothing special about this. So we've got a life jacket there. To get into the water, life jacket is a must. So for safety, so we obviously have life jackets, and we have a couple of bathrobes. These are pretty much the default accessories. So let's come to the bathroom now. So as you can see in the bathroom, it's pretty luxurious. It's better than the Oberoi which I visited last year. So it's got this luxurious bathtub which is really fantastic. And this looks like the toilet area, which is good. And this is the shower area. They've got all premium branded Sunsiam, Oliveri moisturizers, shampoos and body washes. So this looks pretty neat. But the highlight part has to be the bathtub. It's not a jacuzzi, it's normal bathtub. So this is like the overall room tour of Sunsiam Oliveri's grand water villa. So you can see we've just thrown out the luggage here. So we just checked in. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good for a couple of people. We've also got a TV. I forgot to mention about the TV. So here is the TV.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. I've been high. Lately I've been high.
So this is pretty much end of any grand water villa lane. So I'll just show you guys the end. So what's at the end of this lane? It's pretty straightforward. You'll have a chance to get into the water at the end, but let's have a look. So you can see this is the end of the water villa lane that we walk. So you can get out here and enjoy this view. So you can see a high amount of tides waves coming there, but what the hotel people told us was they've added a rope for the waves to stop so that it doesn't come really hard at us when we are in the water from us. So that's a note, just FYI. So from there all the way I came here, and this is the end of the water villa. So from here you can get into the water as well. So yeah, that's about it. Some nice Maldivian music.